went down. We didn't have drive-through convenience stores. We just grew our crops and plowed. And we would stare at pretty women in the saloon and get slapped to put us back into place, and drink straight whiskey till they throw us out or fall down flat on our face. What happened to the country? I don't know. Some of these country songs sound like disco. I miss Merle Haggard, I miss George Jones. What happened to the country? I don't know. Cotton fields are parking lots. The mercantile is a container store. The fresh fruit stand at First and May is selling smoothies. There's a line out the door. Well, all the trucks are low to the ground, and all the cars have a wing in the rear. I wish that I could help them fly so they could take off out of here. What happened to the country? I don't know. Some of these country songs sound like disco. I miss Merle Haggard, I miss George Jones. What happened to the country?
Hey, we're with Good Samaritans. Come help us fill our food bank.
10-gallon hats are a thing of the past. Ball caps and khakis are in, and nobody rides horses anymore, and the tractors are rusted tin. Well, I guess I'm guilty. Only horse I ride is genuine Harley-Davidson steel. Well, and my cowboy hat blew off long ago when I rode